Hey, this is Andy with GlueTread. Thanks for tuning in today. We're going to be going over our off-road tire repair product offering. The first kit that we're offering is a Sidewall Seal Kit Mini. This Sidewall Seal Kit Mini has one patch and is good for all off-road tires. Secondly is our external patch kit. This kit has 4 patches included and is good for off-road tires as well. Lastly is our Sidewall Seal Kit. This kit has one patch, it's 4 by 4.5 inches and is slightly thicker. All of these products are meant to be used for off-road vehicles and on the exterior of the tire so you don't have to remove the tire from the rim. So now that we've already gone through the product line, we're going to go ahead and show you how to make the repair yourself. Now obviously this tire is off the vehicle, but the idea of these patches is it's something that you can do in the field while you're on the trail, and it's just a really easy application. So we're going to go ahead and walk you through that right here. So we have damage to the sidewall of this tire. The first thing that we'll do is start by applying adhesive to the edge of the damage. After the adhesive is applied, you'll go ahead and press that down to make the edges as even as you can. You'll then give that adhesive 30 seconds to dry before sanding the excess adhesive away. After your sanding is complete, you'll take your patch and put it on top of your damaged area. You'll then take a marker or other tool and trace the edges of the patch. Once the edges are traced, you'll take the adhesive and apply it in a grid pattern in drops the whole way around your traced area. After the adhesive is applied, you'll take the patch and put it over the adhesive and hold firmly for 30 seconds. So as you can see, this tire repair is simple and it's easy. At the end of the day, we're just excited here at GlueTread to offer you a solution so that you don't have to walk back to the truck or ruin your rim by driving on a flat tire. Now available is a GlueTread Accelerator. This is a spray-on application that will cure your adhesive immediately after the patch is already applied. Additionally, we have an emergency inflation kit. This kit will allow you to inflate your tire on the trail just by using CO2 cartridges. Thanks for taking the time to sit here and learn about some of the external tire repair products that GlueTread offers. We'll see you on the trail.